Guys, no be smart and welcome back to another video from your boy. The video have gotten a lot of people talking after Davido signed a multi-million deal today with CIG Motors. This deal is to say that this deal worth millions of naira. The likes of Ubi Kumbana were there today. Davido's uncle, a lot of people were there today, a lot of dignitaries, and Davido also received a brand new car. Let's take a look at the moment. You guys can actually see that.
And big congratulations to Davido as well. English management can join this picture now before I invite His Excellency, the Governor of Osun State, to join this picture.
Guys, no be smarting. You guys saw that the video really had an amazing moment today in Lagos, signing a deal with CIG Motors and was gifted a brand new car. That car worth over 100 million naira. What are your thoughts on that? I heard this deal the video signed is gonna be kind of beneficial to the Nigerian youth. I don't really know the benefits that the Nigerian youth will get. Let me know your thoughts via the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification button to always get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I remain your boy. I'm out.